गोयचे भाजपा सरकार रिणां काडून फेस्तां करता असो आरोप अपक्ष आमदार विजय सरदेसाय हांणी केला. विधानसभेत जी विधेयकां संमत केल्यात ती गोयचे जनतेच्या हिता आड आसा अशें तांणी म्हळां. आरडेक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
गोयचे जनतेचे कॉन्फिडन्स सरकारान कंप्लीट गेल्ले आहा. हे 10 दिसांनी सरकार मोर देन पीपल एक्सपेक्टेड इतलो एक्सपोज जाल्लो आहा. आनी हातून एक दिसता की सरकार रीण काडून फेस्त करता आनी रीण काडून फेस्त करतना पयशे आतां जाय म्हणून जनतेक हे सारकें मॅसिव टॅक्सेशन करून फाटीचो कोणो सर्वसामान्य गोंयकाराचो तोडूंक सोदता. काल जी बिलां पास केल्या तातूंत एक सर्वसामान्य मिडल क्लास आनी गरीब गोंयकाराक गाडी घेवपाचें हें मनांतलेंच काडचें पडटलें. गाडी म्हणटी गोंयकारांक घेवप ना अशें सरकार सांगूंक सोदता. म्हळ्यार एस्पिरेशन्स जी गोंयकाराची आहा ती काबार करूंक सोदता.
Tenancy Act and the Munkar Act, which has been referred to the district court. As it is, courts are loaded. Here they can appoint executive magistrates, such as mamlatdars, etc., to handle land related cases. Now that is not being done. I don't know why they are so shy about doing that and referring it to the judiciary. Because as it is judiciary, you have to have a lawyer to represent. We feel that it's an injustice to the small man. A tenant is an agricultural tenant is a small man. A munkar is a small man. Is this government against the small people, the poor people? I don't just understand. What was the idea in referring the whole thing to the judiciary? Judiciary itself takes its own time in deciding cases, and here they will be practically bankrupt by the time they have a lawyer paying lawyers' fees, etc. So this is something that we are going to raise it again.